Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to get to the moon map. All you need is 2 rockets, 2 teleport guns, and an umbrella on your back. Let's go. Just going to go use your rocket up there. And then we're going to crawl up here. And then jump here. We should be up on the high barrier. Use a rocket, go over there, get a teleport gun out. Have it charged up. Get the other one out. Start teleporting over there to that. And once you're here, you're gonna go like this and point your teleport gun up. And just keep going up there. Right there, you can see the moon map now. And now you're in here. Now you can just drive the cars, you can do anything you want in here. And to go back to spawn from the moon map, you go through this TV right here, you jump into it, and then you're back at spawn. And that's how you get to the moon map. Thank you guys for watching.